Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with our new digital print this week. It's more owls, but the last time it was tone on tone owls and it was with all of our colors. And now I thought it'd be fun to have multicolored owls. So this is using our Cozy Cafe palette. And of course it comes in the 2-inch and it comes with the fluffy owls and then the regular owls. And what we've done is this time it's a little different how they are on the website. There's going to be 3 files in a bundle. They're only sold in bundles this time. So you can get a bundle with everything, or it's going to be called Cozy Cafe Brown. So in the brown, you have the brown owl with the pink, the brown owl with the blue, and then the brown owl with the green. So right now, everything is 50% off. So you can get all 3 for $3. And then you can also get like the bundle with everything in. And of course, you'll get the color list, which I didn't print because it's the same as the last time, but the color list is also in there. So then we have the 3 greens, which has the brown, the pink, and the blue. And of course, they are with polka dots, with the lines, with the crosshatch, and then with a texture. And then this is all fluffy. We called him Fluffy. So then you have the blue, the Cozy Cafe blue. So you have with the pink, the brown, and the green. And then the pink. So the owl is pink. And then you have the blue, the brown, and the green. And then the same thing with the regular owl. I don't know if you can tell, but this one has just a round face. So you have the brown with the pink, the blue, and the green. And then you have the green owl. And again, these were all inspired with our Cozy Cafe colors. The brown, the pink, and the blue. Oh, this has to be my favorite. The blue and the green. Love that. Blue, green, and then you have the brown and the pink. And then the last owl, again, is the pink. And then it has the blue, the brown, and the green. Then this week, right away, we have the smaller sizes. Usually, it's the week after, but this week we managed to get the smaller size done too. So again, you have the Cozy Cafe blue. And again, these, you can either fussy cut them or they fit a 1.5-inch punch, the one at the top. And then the second one will fit 2. And then you have the 1.25 punch. And it fits perfect. The owl fits right in the center. And then you have the 1-inch punch. And again, you can either fussy cut them or you can punch them out. And everything, you can do more than one. You can cut this, you can punch this one out too. So it's not as if it only fits the one. You can punch out the entire sheet like that, or you can fussy cut them. So it comes in all the colors. So 3 per category, if you will, or colors. So you have the blue with the pink, the blue with the brown, the blue with the green, which I have to say, this is my favorite. And those 2 are textured. So you got the polka dots, you got the lines. So in the smaller ones, you have the plain, the lines, and the polka dots. He could only fit the 3 of them on there, but it's still got some texture. So it's got the blue, and then you have the 3 files of the brown. And again, it's going to say Cozy Cafe Brown, and you'll have 3 files for $3, $1 each, because it's 50% off right now. And then you got the green, and then you got the pink. Now, we only did Cozy Cafe. I don't know if we'll do the other colors because we found that, this was a lot. but it's something that we're going to consider maybe doing, you know, once in a while release like the pastel one, or we'd probably only do the pastel paradise and the seasoned spices if we did any more colors. And then you have the regular owl too, like the rounded face owl in all the colors. So I don't need to show them all to you again, but there's 3 of each in each one of the files. And again, they are just my favorite. But that's it. Those are the new digital files in our shop this week. So again, everything is on for 50% off. So just go to NicoleJones91.com, go to classes/embellishments. The embellishments and the classes are on for 50% off. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.